Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Smartsheet. This is a fantastic way to visualize your project timelines and deadlines in a more intuitive format, making it easier to track important dates at a glance. First, head over to your browser and type in smartsheet.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can access all your existing files and sheets. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to find a sheet that contains at least one date column. This is crucial because the calendar view relies on date information to organize your data, browse through your existing files or sheets, and locate one that fits this requirement. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now that your sheet has loaded, look toward the top of the screen where you'll see the view options. Click on Grid or Table depending on what's currently displayed. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Calendar. This action will instantly transform your data into a calendar view, making it much easier to see how your tasks and deadlines are spread out over time. Give it a moment to load if needed, as the system organizes everything visually. Once the calendar view is active, you can start customizing how your data appears. If you right-click on any data entry displayed on the calendar, you'll see options to edit the color settings. This is useful for color-coding different types of tasks or priorities. If you need to edit the actual data itself, simply click Edit and you'll be able to make changes directly from the calendar view. Smartsheet also offers several powerful options to enhance your calendar. You'll notice features like filtering the data, which helps you focus on specific tasks or date ranges. There's also conditional formatting, which automatically changes the appearance of items based on criteria you set. If you need to sync or share your calendar externally, you can publish it as an iCal file, publish it to Google Calendar, or even overlay it with your existing Google Calendar for a unified view. If you want to print your calendar, click the print icon. This will open a dialog where you can adjust settings like paper size, orientation, and margins to ensure everything fits perfectly on the page before printing. For more detailed control over what appears on your calendar, click the gear icon to access calendar settings. Here you can manage what information is displayed on the calendar itself. Choose whether to display summary tasks and decide if you want your personal reminders to show up as well. Finally, if you need to share your calendar with colleagues or your team, click the Share button. You can share the calendar data directly to a workspace or invite specific people by entering their email addresses. This makes collaboration seamless and keeps everyone on the same page. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a calendar in Smartsheet, giving you a clear visual overview of your project timelines and important dates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.